Kylie Jenner has a huge following on Instagram with over 24 million fans watching her social media account, and she's known for posting pictures of her flawless makeup, expensive outfits, and glamorous lifestyle on a daily basis. So maybe that's why we were pretty surprised to hear her say it's not real life. Instagram is a made-up world. I just show people what I want them to see. Doesn't everybody? She asked. The 17-year-old reality star has been on a roll when it comes to Twitter recently and raised eyebrows when she posted a photo revolving around the conspiracy theory called chemtrails. So maybe that's why people were taken aback to hear Kylie say something so real just a day later, that Instagram doesn't exactly reflect reality. Sure, Kylie's got a very different lifestyle than the normal everyday teenager, but like she says, she just shows people what she wants them to see, unflattering pictures and bad hair days not included. And with so many young fans following her every move, maybe this is something Kylie should be saying to them more often.